Etiwa West emansiri me hoso ene mabunu ene ekade ankatwede troe abufuo kyene pa na asore ni nyina nse astro bi enam wo mrahye bedwani nsa so wasi wo mpotam ho na wopesu bia no na nso aban krache pani nse da bi mrahye ni na mfa kwampa so wopesu bia no eno ho na kofa twitwiri ene apotwen ba ya nkentokwa eye simu adom kase kopie ho na asem mu nkyere mu nyina ebo ntofa e de to also
Ugopiem Akyem Kwabeng no ewo Etiwa West mensin wo poye mantemu a enya asem keto akora ne nyina ne se aban krache pani ya wo ho Johnson Anom amo enna wa hye se omma mrahye bedwani wo ho Lorette Koko Asante enkonkobi astro dwumadi a wonum asiri amomanfo no da na omo kire se dwumadi e hyase afimpi mienu ne aduonu mienu eno mu wie na afimpi mienu ne aduonu nan a mo hwenu kwa se beboa ama gudie ne mabunu ntete ya afa ne tuma pefra e ompotam ho ukopiem wo ho a asrafo na posifo enna age astro ya boso a omma kwan mabunu no emfani won dwuma mrahye bedwani wo ho Lorette Koko Asante ene Adam ka se retwen komo chese odi ho ya pa se wo hwe abana musini ade a wo ye no ho no a enya de beboa mabunu no ama gudie ho nsem afa ne tuma pefra mo de ato mabunu nanim se onka komanto yem na uguso a wotu ho anamon se ne be ya ombetumi de bia ho akodi dwuma.
Oh yeah, I was going ahead with the commission. I'm afraid that that's secretary. And the alleged said, say me commissioner, there will be tension between MDC and MPP, which is not true. There is absolutely no tension. This is a peaceful place, it's calm, but he was trying to create something when there was none, okay? Which is actually very misleading of the DCE and very dangerous. For you to, as a DCE, to create, say, there's some kind of tension when there's none.
And watching a mabunu so about who be a dear to say, Omubu fu abana musini no anamu wetu no pa. We say, mrahye bedwani na ban pencil and omudi dwumai. Afenso wano kura edimonti ntiman pa and omu ebabedi se dwuma no nti se oba bebia no de ankaboni bia anim. Wano mo so ene de ba bedi dwuma enti so hye se omo wonku bia no dia. E kire se entwa ye kura.
They say the parking is here, baby. I buy a tax force or something. I beja. You know, yeah, parking also there. Yeah, and I have a hand. Yeah, young coffee. That's it. MP bar. This is all I have. Politics. That's all I'm saying. You tell what area I'm near CNN, engine. If you say, we keep on talking about peace. And I say, Ubia campaign say peace my way. And that is what we the youth here we are looking for.
And no actually ena abana musini ya wo ho Johnson Anom amo editu dwa say
GNPC Ghana National Petroleum Corporation 100% owned by the state. It is use cafe in the photo say yemfendi djuma bia Ghana ban ana any project o call GNPC and na kam pese mi e de kire mo no o hwe omo policy direction on infrastructure GNPC di ni sika kwhye project bia mu a se MP ne lobby ya da e be commissioning no se MP ho but GNPC e be hand over the project no to the district assembly said the bear bibi kotichima e ho a assembly ni ama no photo a e ho a wono betimi ahwede asiesie said the bear e be last all the time.